hope that you're having an awesome day today. And one of the questions that I got asked the other day is there a simple way that I can then leverage Gmail with a domain without having to get a workspace and all that kind of stuff? And there's a simple way that we can do that. So let me jump right into there. So I'm leveraging Cloudflare because Cloudflare give me a lot of flexibility. So this is one of my domains. And the first thing that we need to do is that we need to come here into email and make sure that we have email configured. So when you configure email, you can then click the details of where you're gonna go. You're gonna create a couple of records. You click OK, and it configures your email automatically. After you do that, all that you have to do is that you define the destination addresses where you want to send email. So in this case, I'm going to put a Gmail account. So I'm going to put here, see. And I'm going to click save. And what this is going to do is that it's going to send a validation to Gmail. I'm going to go into my Gmail. You see, there you have it. Validate the email. Okay, so now that email is verified, I can go back and refresh. Now you see that this Gmail account appears verified. And all that I have to do for this domain, you see cfnerds.com, I want to create a routing. So I want to create an address. So I'm going to create CV demo, and I want to send email. And when I click down here, you're going to see this new Gmail address. Save. So now, what did I just do? Let me just go back here. Okay. So first step is that I want the domain, or when anybody else send me the information to that email address, that it can go somewhere. That could be Gmail, that could be Outlook, that could be anywhere. So we did that first step. Now we need to configure Gmail so it can send email out as that. So let's go back there. So now we're gonna go into Gmail. And we're gonna go into the gear settings. Okay, so when we are here in the settings under account and import, you're gonna see here in send as, you see the first Gmail address. So you're gonna click edit info, and this window will pop up. And the first thing that you're gonna do, specify a different reply address. So now my reply address is coming as a different address. So what that means is that email goes in, and then as it come out, you're gonna now have this address. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send myself an email from someone else. So let me. Okay, so I send the email to cvdemo@cfnerds. That is the address that is on Cloudflare. So you see, from Hotmail to Cloudflare. Now I'm gonna reply. Okay, so now when I hit reply to that email, you see that my reply address, as we configure, is going to the one on my domain. Cool, you got it. You see? Now we are using that, and that is a simple way to actually, without having to pay anything else, just leveraging your domain, you can actually have your email accounts in one place. There is a third party that I love to use. And let me share with you here. They are forwardemail.net. Here's what I love about them. You can pay $3 a month. $3 a month. And you can create unlimited email addresses or forwarding with your domain completely branded. And you can send it to the same Gmail account or to another Gmail account or to Hotmail or to whatever you want. Or if you actually want to be able to have that email and connect to it, you can do that without a problem. And you can actually, this is not about to send volume. This is actually to be able to receive on those email addresses without a problem. So you even have developer API and SMTP outbound. So if you need to send a small amount of emails, but you have different domains, this may be a great option for you. So there you have, my friends, how you can actually, from a free Gmail, you can actually add some branding or leverage a third party like Forward Email, so you can have all the email accounts that you want with a simple price. So we'll see you on our next video.